My name is Ozor. I'm a patient of Dr. Carlson, and I live in Virginia Beach, Virginia, and I am very happy and satisfied with the type of treatment that I received from Dr. Carlson. For about 3 years, I've had pain on my whole right side, from my neck down to my leg. I would feel a lot of limitation when I try to walk or when I try to lift heavy stuff. Not something that is not really heavy, but just lifting in general was difficult. Sleeping on my back was difficult. So I had, persistent backache and also neck ache. And it was really painful to the point that I could not live with the pain anymore. First, I went to my personal doctor, Dr. Paul Hayatelis, and he performed a series of tests and was able to narrow down the source of my pain, and then referred me to Dr. Carlson. And upon the MRI and some x-rays that was done, it was determined that a surgical procedure was necessary. So the whole process was swift. The nurses were friendly, and the actual surgery, took less than 2 hours, and I was home the same day. And thanks to the very kindness or care of my friend, Patrice Langford, she really took good care of me. And the first week was crucial in my recovery. And this is the second month since the surgery, and I think I'm ahead of schedule in terms of recovery. And I don't have any slowness on the movement of my arm. My walking is a little bit slow at this time, but I'm taking physical therapy to get my stamina and strength back to form. So over time, I believe I will be in a very good shape than I was prior to the surgery. Emotionally, I really feel that I have a new lease on life, because I was under the impression that I was going to live with this pain for the rest of my life. I didn't even know that it could be diagnosed to find the source of the pain. So it was just difficult, to wake up every day and go to bed every day knowing that you have a lingering pain that has no cure. So that alone, knowing that this could be cured, was a big, relief emotionally. And to actually actualize, that fact that it could be rectified, is unbelievable, So I feel very grateful that I can live the rest of my life without pain, and also be able to do the things that I really like to do. The first time I met him, what really caught my attention was the way he looked at me and tried to understand what I was trying to describe as my problem. And the way he conducted the tests and the type of verbal assurance, that came from him, that this has been done before and it can be done, and you will feel better after, the surgery. So the total words of encouragement and assurance was something that really resonated with me upon meeting him. And my subsequent visits with him has also been just as wonderful as initial contact. So very intelligent and professional, highly skilled surgeon. I would say, look, the opinion of the professional would be better than your own personal opinion. Just believe in the science. Have some trust in the process. Don't allow personal fear, to make you manage your pain, because you can manage your pain for a very long time, but you will never be pain-free. And when the professional tells you that this can be rectified, have a trust and believe in them, and listen to your doctor, and don't let your personal opinion or mindset stop you from helping yourself and living a more healthier and fulfilling life.